guys, so I just won at Wicked Tuna. We watch our show religiously, so of course I'm gonna be good. Guys, so I'm heading off to Larry Edmonds. You gotta stop at Larry's, you know, you just do. I love him, I love the store. Let's go. Wow.
I just saw the thing. It used to be called. It used to be a toy store.
Wow, that's not cheap. Alright guys, so I used to be so obsessed with this show called Extreme Couponing, and when I first moved to America, me and Richard would literally go and get stacks of the coupons from our like apartment. And this one time we went to Safeway, which is like a Ralph's or Smith's, and it came out to like, I believe almost like $150, the shopping that we did. I'll try and find a photo because I took a photo of it, but it was like $150 and it came out to be like $70 with the coupons. So I was really into it. I even had like a binder and everything. It was crazy. I would cut the little coupons and whatnot. And I was like, you know what? I stumbled across like these videos again, and I was like, I'm gonna go back into couponing because I loved it. It was like a thrill of seeing the numbers go down. So I got some apps that I like, which is the Walgreens and this one called Flip. So it tells you like, as you guys can see, it tells you the specials that your favorite stores have. So yeah, I'm seeing what I can do, and I follow this lady, which she shows like how to coupon and everything. So I'm like, you know what, I'm going back into it. I don't care, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. But I love watching these shows. They're just a lot of fun.
Nearly 30% of American consumers claim that once they start using coupons, they continue to do so. Look
how big the store is. It's your favorite store. Ooh, look at this color. That's a nice one.
Well, this is, I think, the new one. Look, this is another top that I was thinking about. Because these go with our cups here. So check this out.
They're pretty nice.
This one, you stay like that. This is a spill proof. And then you just twist and drink.
Oh, and then you drink it from there? Interesting. It was cold out there.
It was like there was one point where I was
Well,
freezing.
did you see my fingers?
Yeah, look how much it's already gone down.
Yeah. And that's because I was
They
like.
got really swollen.
Yeah, they did.
Going up.
Alright, let's see if my instant rice have been cooking.
Pretty good at measuring.
Actually did alright. Not bad. Alright guys, so we are here at this shopping center at Burbank, but they have a Fashion Nova, like the actual store, and that's what I wanted to come and see. So let's go check it out. We've never been here before. This is brand new for us. We have gone to the IKEA. We've gone to the IKEA, which is just down the road from this place, but yeah, we didn't know that there was a mall here, so let's go check it out. Oh, this mall is so cool. Yay, Fashion Nova. Let's check it out. Look how cool it is. The fuck, it literally looks so pretty. This like
It's all one way.
Orange Grove. That reminds me of a place in Sydney where Chop Chop used to hang out.
Oh, yeah, that was a plaza, wasn't it?
Yeah. I can't express to you how much this looks like Sydney. Like
It feels like it feels like we're.
tripping me out.
I feel like we're in Australia.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in Bankstown.
Yeah.
There's so many restaurants here.
Again, it's this.
Yeah,
Does it
it's
for
the-
me, like
yeah.
little over.
I'm so curious as to like what is inside. Oh wow. Is it good?
We're taking the little kid out. We're taking him out.
Wow.
That's pretty good though.
Wow.
That's pretty yummy.
A little messy, but like it's
Messy,
pretty
you're
good.
right, yeah, but it's really good.
It's pretty good.
I'd be safer to eat it here.
I think so.
I thought it was bread.
Mm-hmm.
Overlook.
Hey, look, spam. Wasabi. What? So, wetting his face, he hates it.
That's the pineapple one.
Ooh. Very nice. not bad. Oh, they got Jamaica. Damn, the melon is 97 cents. It's not bad.
All right.
Not bad. Damn.
Oh, those are the shanks. Oh no, that's the. I think this is fine.
The meat here is not. It's not bad. It's 12, 10, 14.88. Okay, that's a lot of money for this
That little steak.
thin little one.
Hell no.
Alright guys, so this is the utilities for March. Now it looks like the electricity is not that bad, but where it is a big one is the water and the trash recovery. The valet trash is only $14.31. Obviously pest control. But yeah, I was pretty surprised that the electricity wasn't that big. So how much was it in Santi?
I think we were always paying around. The last bill was like at least $100.
$100, so yeah. So not that bad. I mean, we obviously, it's different. Obviously we were paying for 1 bedroom. This is a studio, but yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So the total is $244, and that does include water, sewer, trash, pest, and electricity. So it's just all in one bill. Alright guys, and then this one was the last month that we lived in Vegas. The electricity bill came out to $102.05. So with the utilities plus the electricity here, we were paying $220.05 in Vegas, all up with electricity, the water, sewer, trash, valet trash, all up. So yeah, we're not that far, which is crazy because I think it came out to $244. And so what, 220, I think 244 minus 220, we're paying $24 extra than we were paying in Vegas. Again, obviously this is a studio, and the one in Vegas was a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, but when it comes to utilities and electricity, we're not that far in price.
Pretty crazy, like,
isn't it?
because I feel like for those two apartment units, the main difference is that we were paying them separately, where
Yes.
traditionally you pay your rent with utilities, you get billed from your apartment all together, and then you pay your electricity separate. So we would usually pay water, sewer, and trash with our rent,
Yeah.
and then we would pay
NB
this one
Energy.
here at the end of the month usually, because it was usually due on the 30th, 25th. So now we pay them all up front. So it's just really a matter of, do you pay it all up front, or do you choose to like break it down? We kind of like this better because we like kind of paying it all up front.
Yeah,
better.
we
just
do.
get it out of the way already.
Like one solid bill, we prefer that than having like 2 separate bills. But that's just our personal choice. Again, we'll see during the summer as well how high it is. I know in Vegas it was pretty high, especially at the Pace. I think it was 150.
Yeah, 150. You're right. Yeah.
Yeah, it was 150. That was the biggest one that we were like,
Yeah.
whoa.
Plus,
But that was July.
yeah, we were facing like the sun the majority of the time. The sun
Yeah.
was hitting like the big window that we had in the living room, and that one was also a smaller one apartment,
Yeah, it was a
bedroom
little
apartment.
bit
So
smaller,
it felt
yeah.
like the windows that we had were just getting
big,
cooked. We were
yeah.
getting cooked all the time.
Yeah, so again, you guys, I'm not disputing, like, oh, it's cheaper or anything. That I'm not disputing that. I'm just showing you guys how much we're gonna be paying. But again, it's only a $24 difference from Vegas. So do we like it being high? Absolutely not. Do we wish all of these things could be lower? Absolutely. So, but I'm just showing you our first utility bill here in California. So just gives you guys a little bit of an insight. Oh yeah, it's like the premiere. Oh yeah, look. they gated that off so you wouldn't see. Wowza. Hey guys, so there is a premiere happening for Hopper, the movie. Check it out. What's so weird is that they have it completely blocked for people not to like see them, which is so silly, but it is what it is.
I know, I just ripped it.
I'm barbaric. Alright guys, so I just got the vitamins that I've been wanting. This is it, and Richard got his vitamins as well. It's pretty cool because they come in packets. So you take one every day for 30 days, so it's pretty cool. Guys, so I finally got the Dr. Malaxin pill shot. This apparently is good for like if you've got pores and stuff like that. I'm going to show it to you once I have cleaned my face, but it's going to go right where all my skincare is. So I'm excited to try it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do a voiceover because Richard is having a shower and we're talking. But this stuff really blew me away because I started to see the gunk straight away. And the more that I rubbed, the more gunk came out, which was so disgusting but so satisfying as well. But yeah, I bought this with my own money and I really, really like it. Honestly, I feel like my nose is so much cleaner, so much better, and Richard loves it as well because I tried it on him and yeah, he was like, it's so gross. I'm like, I know, it's disgusting, I can see all the gunk, ugh, but I am so happy with it. Alright guys, so these are the vitamins that it comes in that little packet, and I'm gonna take them right now since I'm gonna eat. So let's see, I'll let you know in 30 days if I've seen a change, but hopefully it does help having these vitamins because they help with multivitamin support, stress support, beautiful skin support, cell protection, bone health. So we'll see. Guys, so this is for men. This helps with multivitamin support, stress support, sexual health, liver health, bone health. So he's gonna try it.
Let's see what they look like.
Cool. So that's how the men look. All right, well, we'll see in 30 days. You guys were taking this because me and Richard are in our mid-30s, so we definitely need vitamins, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm glad that they're small, they're not big, because I have trouble with pills.